Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Most Jamaicans interviewed in the latest Consumer Confidence Survey feel it is unlikely, you heard right, unlikely that their jobs will be replaced by technology. It's a new question added to the third quarter data collection commissioned by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce. Now, the survey also found that businesses and consumers were more confident in the economy. Artificial intelligence is the order of the day, and it's a fact that some jobs will be replaced. For the first time in the history of the local Consumer Confidence Survey, the 635 participants were asked about the expectation on jobs being replaced by technology. 52% believe it was either strongly unlikely or probably unlikely for their jobs to be cut due to tech.
9% believe that their job is strongly likely to be replaced by technology. This is supported by 12% who believe that their job is probably likely to be replaced by technology. So that 21%, 1 in every 5 persons that we interviewed, expect technology to impact their current job. Those, of course, who are currently employed, right? 27% weren't sure. They say it might or it might not. We really don't know, all right? Most importantly, 36% said that my job is strongly unlikely to be impacted by technology.
The data is being collected at a time when a number of jobs have already changed due to artificial intelligence and new technology. For the 3 months ended September, pollster and head of Market Research Limited, Don Anderson, says business confidence was up 4.7%, taking the quarter's index to 144.7 points.
Index of business confidence reported an increase between quarter 2 and quarter 3 from 138.2 points to 144.7 points, representing a change of just under 5 percentage points. This change is due to significant improvement in the firm's financial standing, profit performance to date, and expectations about future profits.
100 businesses were surveyed. The year-to-date Business Confidence Index has already exceeded 2022. Business confidence was 140 points for the 9 months up to September, compared to 137 points for all of last year. Meanwhile, the survey commissioned by the Jamaica Chamber of Commerce, JCC, showed there was an improvement in how Jamaicans viewed the economy.
The Consumer Confidence Index returned to 161 points, reflecting an upward shift of 2.1 percentage points. This does not necessarily indicate that consumers have regained confidence, but it does indicate that confidence has stabilized at around 160 points over the last 2 years.
Let's head to the foreign currency market now. The Jamaican dollar lost 9 cents by the end of trading on Tuesday. Banks and cambios are selling the greenback for an average $155.70, coming from $155.61 on Monday. The Canadian dollar is going for $112.81. $190.17 is the average cost for the pound, while it's costing $166.15 for the euro. The JSE Index gained 2,426 points today, while the junior market index increased by 39 points. Leading the 46 advances were Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, Cargo Handlers, Knutsford Express, Edufocal and Jamaica Public Service 7% shares. The 39 losers included Caribbean Cream, Sterling Investments US Dollar Shares, Proven Group, Salada Foods, Jamaica, and Blue Power Group. So you're seeing on your screen there the advances from today. As we said, Cygnus, Cargo Handlers, Knutsford Express, Edufocal, and Jamaica Public Service 7% shares, while we head to the decliners now. And those include Caribbean Cream, Sterling Investments, Proven Group, Salada Foods, Jamaica, and Blue Power Group. Now 19 stocks ended the session at the same price they started trading on Tuesday. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.